Show my rice lang.
Pasok, dalawa.
Suba, 2 points. Luna, easy basket by Luna.
Guts, ano, si Mang Ariel.
Nice pass to Masji, 2 points. Bang, 2 points.
Hindi naman nangingi.
Huwag nyo na ibigay, di lang pala yung naging.
2 points by Masji. Uy, 2 points. Basas. Pass to Ryan. Serge. Back to Ryan. 3-point attempt. Bang. Number 23, drop. Steal by Ryan. Easy basket by Serge. Rebound by Cruz.
Visit ka, yun o.
Easy layup by Ramos. Bang! 2 points by Basas. Libre. 2 points. Shoot! Steal by Walter. Grabe naman dumipensa yun. 2 points is good para kay Walter. Rebound by number 4. Bang! 2 points by number 4. Pass to number 13. Number 4. Bang! 3 points. Number run. Drop pass to Bibal. 2 points by Bibal. Fakes. Pass again to number 15. 2 points by number 15. 2 points by Suva. 15 to shoot. Run for 3. Bang! 3 points. Steal by Suva. Grabe yun. No good. Rebound by Ryan. Luna. 2 points by Luna. Back to Kevin. Steal. It's showtime. 2 points is good. Good. 2 points by number 27. Rebound by Luna. To Basas. Pass to Luna. Ang ganda. Blanca. Second shot is good. Pull up. 2 points is good. Blanca! 1 minute and 30 seconds. Libre si Basas. 2 points by Basas. Grabe yung pasa na yun. Libre si number 27. 3-point attempt. Nandun si 14. 2 points. Cruz. Drop to Punzalan. 2 points. 2 points. Shot clock off. 2 points by number 91. Basas. Sinugod. No good. Rebound. Counted by Luna. Rebound by Masji. Pass again to Sonic. Another one. 2 points by Sonic. Ang bilis mo. Serge dribbling the ball. Layup. Easy layup by Serge. Aglipay, 2 points. Counted. Puspa. Shumamgad. 2 points. 2 points by number 20. Bibal, ang gandang pasa nun, dinakdak ni Suba. Sonic. 2 points by Sonic. Luna, anong gagawin? Easy layup, top board by Luna. By Walter, ulit kay Luna, pinukol. Easy layup na naman kay Luna. Number 26, ang ganda nun, 2 points by number 20. To Luna, fake. 2 points by Luna. 26, still by Luna. Easy 2 points by number 1. Number 27, 3-point attempt. Bang! 3 points. Lilipad yan. 2 points. Ayan na, number 24. Raan, wag mo nang habulin. Good. Kuya Ryan, sinumpong. Bang!
3 points by Kuya Ryan. Isang...
Ganda ng pasa. 2 points by... Grabe si Josh. 2 points. Wala pa rin. 2 points sa dead ball. Honesty is the best. Josh. 2 points by Masjid. Pagod na rin ha. Laglagan to ka. Humihinga na sa puwet. Ayan na Josh. 2 points. Ayan na Ilan. Patay kayo dyan. Nagtito Walter Pumake. Oy! 2 points.
Hirang step, ma'am.
Hey! 25. 2 points. Ayan. Balik mo, Gilan. Ay,